Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping, specifically a platform called Sprocket. You might have seen ads promising it as the key to entrepreneurial freedom, overflowing inboxes with orders, and a beach house in your future. But before you jump in and invest your hard-earned cash, let's dissect Sprocket and see if it's a golden ticket or a rusty gear in the dropshipping machine. First things first, dropshipping itself can be a legitimate business model. It allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. You essentially act as a middleman, connecting customers with suppliers who then handle fulfillment. Sounds convenient, right? There's a catch, though. Dropshipping is a saturated market, and success hinges on several factors, not just the platform you choose. So, what about Sprocket? Let's break it down. Sprocket strengths: a shiny sprocket in the machine. Sprocket boasts a user-friendly interface and a decent product selection. They claim to have curated high-demand, trendy items, which can be a plus if you're new to finding winning products. They also offer features like order automation, which saves time by automatically sending orders to suppliers. Additionally, Sprocket integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, streamlining your store setup. Now, here's where things get interesting. Sprocket doesn't disclose supplier information. This lack of transparency is a concern. You're essentially trusting them to connect you with reliable suppliers who offer good product quality, competitive pricing, and timely shipping. Without knowing who these suppliers are, it's hard to gauge these factors. The gritty underside: examining the worn sprockets. Here's where the glitter starts to fade. A major drawback of Sprocket is the profit margins. Dropshipping already has lower margins compared to traditional retail models. On top of that, Sprocket's pricing structure can eat further into your profits. You'll be competing with others selling the same products, often leading to price wars. Another concern is the lack of control you have over branding and customer experience. Since you're not holding inventory or handling fulfillment, it's difficult to ensure quality or personalize the buying experience. Remember, happy customers are repeat customers, and in dropshipping, that's crucial. Beyond Sprocket, alternative approaches and considerations. Sprocket might seem like a one-stop shop, but it's not the only option. You can explore other dropshipping platforms or even source suppliers yourself. This gives you more control over pricing, product quality, and branding. However, it requires more effort on your end, finding reliable suppliers, negotiating prices, and managing inventory, even if virtually. The final verdict: not a magic solution, but a potential tool. Sprocket isn't inherently bad, but it's not a magic solution either. It can be a decent starting point for beginners due to its user-friendliness. However, remember, success in dropshipping requires hustle, regardless of the platform. Here's the key takeaway. Do your research, don't solely rely on Sprocket's product suggestions. Research trends, identify winning products, and analyze competitor pricing. Embrace transparency. If you decide to use Sprocket, dig deeper. Try to find out more about their suppliers. You can even reach out to them directly to discuss pricing and quality. Focus on customer experience. Just because you're dropshipping doesn't mean you can't provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, offer clear return policies, and consider including a thank you note with your supplier's branding removed, if possible. Remember, dropshipping is a marathon, not a sprint. Building a successful dropshipping business takes time, effort, and continuous learning. So, before you invest in Sprocket or any other platform, make sure you're prepared to put in the work. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy hustling.